So see, for overlap, the rule is, for example, yeah. So basically, first of all, for speaker tagging, for call center, uh, for the agent, the customer tag or the speaker tag would be A1, right? For agent, and for customer, it would be C1. Okay, so so this is okay over here, right? Now, second is overlap. So for overlap, what we need to do is, for example, it's like A1 is saying, "Hello, Summer, how are you? Hope you're doing fine." Right? And the customer is saying, "Hi, I'm fine, thank you. Hope you are doing well." Okay. So now over here, if like, "Hello, Summer, how are you?" Right? This portion is clear. However, from this part, "Hope you are doing fine," and this part, "Hi, I'm fine, thank you." If there is overlap, so for when this person is saying "Hope you're doing fine," just behind him the C2 is saying "Hi, I'm fine, thank you." So both the words can be heard, both the sentences can be heard, but it is overlapping each other. So in that case, what the customer expects is we need to separate out the overlapping portion, right? So this portion, right? So this has to be separated out. So yeah. So now "Hope you're doing fine." This is said by A1, right? So it will be like overlap A1, "Hope you're doing fine," overlap complete, and then overlap C2, "I am fine, thank you," overlap complete. ठीक है? Point to be
Okay.
noted.
Okay. So overlap thing will be in all together into separate segment, right?
Yes, it should be separate segment. Yeah, and all this should be in small letters. Uh,
Huh.
only for this particular word, and so basically now we have got three segments. A1. So under speaker tag A1, it would be "Hello, Summer, how are you?" Under speaker tag overlap, there is a speaker tag overlap. You will have this, right? So जहाँ पे भी A1 is speaking, I mean that portion would be under A1. Whereas C2 is sorry C1 is speaking, that portion will be under C1, right? So when you type over here, अगर आपने overlap डाल दिया, so like when I open the angular bracket, I get a drop down. Here I get both the speaker tags A1 and C1, right? So I need to select both A1, and again I'll select C1, right? और जहाँ पे भी whatever C1 is saying, I type that under that, inside that, and whatever A1 is saying, speaking, I'll type that content inside. So this is the first scenario. So first scenario is where both of them are speaking on top of each other, and both the conversation is clear, as in the transcriber is able to figure out what A1, he's able to separate out what A1 and C1 are speaking, right? So that is one scenario. Second scenario is I can hear what A1 is saying, but I can't hear what C1 is saying. So what I'll do is under C1, within C1 I'll put UNIN. So UNIN stands for unidentified. So if you look at the guidelines, there's a tag where, you know, if you're unable to understand a speech, you'll put the UNIN tag. Okay. So that tag is also over here. So you just open the angular bracket, you get the. So all the tags which are there in the guidelines is there over here, right?
Okay, can you open that pad again? Huh? And for an example, that pad, writing pad. Okay, huh? For an example, in third segment, C1 under C1, doing, well, if well, we can't identify the word well. Okay, so what we have to put unit tag over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, huh? Okay, that we
Right.
have done. Huh.
There's one more thing called. So all this is